So our volume has, it's pretty impressive really. So in the surgery we've had, I've done probably by the end of the year about 600 cases. And then, we also spend time in the clinic itself, running our own fellows clinic, and that has taught us, time management and patient management and managing our expectations and also clinical decision making. And we've just seen, such a variety of patients from, healthy patients when you're run-of-the-mill bunions to Charcot patients and, patients needing total ankles and everywhere in between. And so we just have had this huge variety of patients come in, and then we also have, a large number of different physicians what we work with. So we kind of get a good sense of how each physician would do things and kind of get an idea of different ways to do things, so that because that when we see our own patients that they're never going to be perfect cookie cutter, and we'll just be able to do one type of surgery for that patient. So I think we get a good example of physicians that help give us their experiences with different types of procedures and what works for them, and we get to see throughout the year kind of what has worked, what hasn't worked, what we like to do, and get a sense of what will be good in our hands. So one of the unique features of this fellowship is that we do weekly x-ray conference where the fellows help prepare the cases that are coming up for the week, and then we present them to each of the doctors, and it's a multidisciplinary approach where we have even the vendors in and the nurses from the different surgery centers and hospitals all together and coming up with a plan for the surgery. And it's a great time for as fellows because we get to just prepare for the cases, and we also get to an understanding of why certain cases are being done for different patients. And so it's an opportunity for us to ask questions and also see differing opinions, because each of the physicians kind of chime in then and say, hey, did you think about this? And a lot of times surgical plans change based on what happens in X-ray conference. So it's just a really unique opportunity for us to see how the surgical planning goes into play and understand why physicians are choosing to do certain surgeries, and then really get our hands involved on what we're doing for the surgery, why we're doing it, and just get a sense of I guess what's going to happen in the next week. So the one word that I would use to describe this group and this OFA fellowship is family. I think that we walk away with a new family, and really I'm gonna miss it, because at the end of the year I not only feel like these physicians are family, but they're also friends, and I think that that's something that I'll just always take with me.